I'm going to teach you what it truly takes to not only make 35K a month with web design, but how to build a portfolio, top ways to find clients, and how to truly leverage AI to help get your clients the best results in the world so they keep coming back. Stay till the end for my own sales process on how to actually land these types of clients. So not every design needs a 3D scrolling animation. Yes, it's cool, and yes, I use it to help land bigger clients from time to time, but it's a tool like anything else. You really, and before we start everything, you really need to start with a goal. So I've made a calculator. Let's go to that real quick. So you can actually see what it will take, depending on your service packaging, to make anywhere from 10K a month to 100K a month. Really, so set your goal first, so you know the plan and the packages you're thinking of developing. Next, let's build a beautiful portfolio piece using resources like Claude and Higgsfield to help turn your portfolio into the absolute next level. Let's say we niche down and we do some jewelry stores, right? So I have a powerful copywriting formula here where I break down how you can make any page high converting, right? So we start with messaging first, and then I usually just copy this. Well, I've already done it, but you could copy this and you can put it and save it as a skill in Claude, and put in your client research, put it in Claude, let it bake, and then help develop some of your copywriting for it. You would take this formula, and then you would start building some visuals around it, really. So let's see if we go here. I like to use Cosmos and Pinterest, of course. I take quite a lot of liberties from that. You would take your client research. You would figure out emotion based on the headline of the sales copy that you developed. And then you would try to use Higgsfield and Claude to develop something engaging, right? So I built out an entire skill for myself. It's off here. It gives you like 3 different ideas: the fastening, the unconscious touch, right? Mirror meet. I chose the fastening. This is a breakdown of the formula. You take this, right? You put it into something like Midjourney. Then, of course, you can always give references even before then. And for me, it came out with something like this. I chose this picture here. And then I went through and I uploaded the image, that specific image. And then what it did is it actually helped develop the storyboard itself. Had to work with some not safe for work stuff, but it was fine. I had to develop that a little bit and develop it a little bit more, develop the full storyboard. I clicked animate, right? Then it animated this beautiful rendition here that I absolutely love. I took this, and then it created a Claude design prompt. After I put the design prompt in there, it came out with 3 different configurations that is just so cool for you to look at and for you to scan and see what looks best. All right, and then you do that in typical design process, and finish out the rest of your design for your portfolio. Let's go ahead and move on to the marketing portion. There are 2 places I always encourage developers and designers to go, which is Upwork and Thumbtack, right? Now, be warned, these places can be very difficult to get into, but gun to my head, low budget, these are the best places. How do I know this? Well, check out my portfolio, right? So I have over $100,000 earnings, 43 jobs, 100% job success rate, and I have an elite rating on Thumbtack as well with many 5-star reviews. So I do know a little bit of what I'm talking about. I can do a whole video on Upwork. I would, if you want to see that, comment below about how to do it. But essentially, what it boils down to with Upwork or Thumbtack is, your portfolio expertise, Higgsfield and Claude, sales expertise, proposal expertise, and a little bit of marketing expertise as well. Cloud Cowork can help with this. If you want faster cash and you have a little bit of budget, but you lack funnel expertise, then you would start with something like Thumbtack, right? It's expensive a little bit, but you will get lead flow. That's the good thing. It's good to build up you just have to build your profile. I would always have a few past clients. The good thing about Thumbtack is you can have a few past clients um, transfer over your port over your current Google reviews, and they allow you to do a decent amount of testimonials, right? So I'd say 1K a month to start off with that, and you need to call each lead within 5 minutes of them coming in. For Upwork, that this is something like if you have very low budget, more time and sweat equity, but honestly, once you get going, the client profile is actually much greater than Thumbtack a lot of the time. It just takes it longer for Upwork. It's just a bit harder, but I mean, it can really save your butt in terms of cash flow sometimes. And once you have stabilized cash flow, I would honestly, or even if you just are just willing to take the risk whenever, I would go hard into paid ads for your niche and start like an upsell flow structure to increase LTV or lifetime value of the client, and focus on getting results for clients through like meta ad upsells and landing pages. Depends on what what you're actually comfortable with. That can literally 3x your LTV, right? So on the sales process, right? I really think you only need to listen to a very few people. I would listen to Alex Hermosi big time. He's got an amazing sales process, and acquisition.com. You need to go through his resources. .com secrets. This is who Alex based most of his work on. If you learn Russell Brunson, you learn most of the greats of marketing, hands down. His .com series is a must. Jeremy Lee Minor his objection books are the greatest in the world, in my opinion, in terms of sales. This is sorely lacking in the web design industry. Highly, highly recommend. You need to know at least how to overcome objections at a basic level and build a sales process and framework. He's fantastic at that, right? Some honorable mentions: Joanna from Copy Hackers. She's one of the greatest copywriters of all time, and in my opinion, one of the most underrated. And Ryan Dice is amazing at scalability and developing systems and operations. I would watch his YouTube channel to kind of for that inspiration. I would just keep to these 5 and stay with them only. And if you had to choose one for sales, you would choose Jeremy. Okay. Also, I use a 2-call close framework. Whether that's a side order or whatever you do, it's a 2-call close, right? Discovery call and a closing call. And I have my own little framework, but usually it's like a mixture between Jeremy Lee Minor and Alex Hermosi. I do have a little bit of the script here. It's a bit of a mess, but if people want it, this is what it is. And there's a lot behind it. I can do a whole video on tonality in this on this alone, but it'd be hey Jacob. Yes, who is this? This is Lewis. Lewis who? Oh, Lewis from the Borrego Brothers. You probably saw us from an Instagram ad to help with your web design and stuff here in Austin, Texas. Oh, yeah, I remember. So you want to just say the same damn thing every single time so you can test. So I don't want to get into it too much here, but as you can tell, this goes very, very deep, especially on the sales process. Now, let's talk about upsells, right? So we see here upsells. This is where Higgsfield actually comes back in. Higgsfield is exceptional with raising the bar for client work and getting even greater results for clients themselves. Now you need to pair it with something like Meta Ads or Google Ads or something. That's what I personally love because it's so fast for ROI and cash, and it helps you learn very quickly. Some people do SEO. For me, I don't like SEO. I like ads way better, right? But everything has its own strengths and weaknesses. This is just more higher risk, to be honest with you, right? So here's an example of like UGC content that I created. This is a AI person, but to me it's one of the best, and it's based out of their studio of Higgsfield's marketing studio, which I think is currently the greatest UGC in the world. So if you have like an e-commerce client or something, and you're willing to take a crack at it, it's amazing what it can actually come up with. And to me, it's absolutely incredible. So, and this definitely helped one of my clients. It's just I had to build it, right? And so that goes for ad creative as well. Obviously, Higgsfield is great with that because it uses ChatGPT and all that good stuff. And anything with landing pages that I develop in terms of developing a landing page using AI in the right places is what's best. So I hope that helps. I know it was a lot in a very short amount of time. I did my very best with it. Based on what feedback, if any, I get, I will dive into each individual topic on its own. If you want to join my inner circle to work with me one-on-one, I have a wait list link below. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.